As your organization grows, operations can become more complex. More and more systems and processes are introduced, and you need everything to talk to each other. We want you to run your business, not manage your systems. We want you to have all your business data in one place, not scattered across Excel files. With TallyPrime Release 4.0, no matter how large or complicated your Excel data is, you can now import everything into Tally within seconds. As a business, you may have e-commerce sales data, cash books, financial statements, price lists, or sales data sitting on Excel. As a tax expert, your clients may send you their data in Excel in a variety of formats. With TallyPrime Release 4.0, you can import any Excel sheet with the ease that you would expect. No more manual entry. No more errors. Just a simple solution to give you a single source of truth for your business. With simple Excel import. TallyPrime Release 4.0. Simply professional. Upgrade today.